show them the...
I need to crack this piss apple. You're wasting it, bro! Hopefully go lower. Cheers, bro! Alright, we're trying to put in some other used coilovers that hopefully go lower and are a bit stiff dicker than mine. Look at this fucking ankle mods, bro. Why does this shit look busted, man?
Cool, man.
Alright, guys. The new pineapple bubbly is busting! Here, give it a little try. Huh? Pretty good, eh? That is so much that just happened there.
That's good.
Here, give me a little bit of
Try
yellow
some?
orange. My hole's not big enough, bro. Busting! I really like the design feature of the pineapple. We have the yellow canet here, and then the green tab, like fucking SpongeBob's house.
When are they actually gonna sponsor us, man?
I don't know, but why is? All right, so these bolts are off, so we just have to do the top ones, and then it should come out the bottom here, and then we can slide the new coilover in, and she'll be mint.
What size are those ones right there? What size are they?
Okay, actually, can you watch the fucking fresh paint? You're adding to my strut tower rust, bro. Bro, you won't! Fuck off!
We should put bubbly in our washer fluid.
I didn't mean to miss my mouth on that one.
Dude, you put bubbly in your washer fluid and like run a hose to the driver's seat?
Yeah.
Cool, man.
Oh, that'd be sweet.
Yo, can you put some penetrating on this before we loosen it?
Sure. Just a
Get
drop.
that
That's all
last
you
one.
need.
Cool. Adams, bro! I'm like a fucking NASCAR team in this bitch. Maybe we should take that wheel off over there. Busting.
Cool, man.
Nice.
Should I try to flapper these hose a bit more?
Look at that crazy camera.
What is this that's about to come out? Taking these coilovers out. Every time it makes me laugh.
They are maxed.
This is lower than your car was on.
Should we
Okay.
pull one out and put it beside the other one and just see?
Will it really tell you though? Because aren't the stream rates going to be different and stuff?
I think most coilovers are what? 6 and 8 or 8 and 10?
Can we pull some collars out maybe? Fuck off. Watch this. You know in cars, when they have little
Yeah, so
forklift?
fast. Don't even stop the impact. Just keep fucking going.
Hit me up, Dale. This shit done real quick.
We'll just speed it up.
Alright.
Cool, man.
I guess we have the impact and the wrench. Alright, front coilovers are out. I'm just gotta bust out the rears out of this car. And then we're gonna pull the engine out of this car.
Cool, man.
Engine.
Ben got a fresh haircut.
I did. Look at the fade.
Rate the fade.
She asked me what number to choose.
What number did you choose? I told you chose 1.
I said 1 or 2.
That's where you went wrong.
A 0 is fully ball.
She gave you the 0.5, man.
She did.
Bro,
That's just loose.
that looks too high. No, remember, this shit was dumped. They're not very nice inside. Yeah, but they hold the rally. It's nice and good shit. Look at it.
We haven't really looked too much.
Alright, Jason said there's a dilly on the side of the road.
No, it wasn't Jason. It was Megan.
Megan said there's a dilly on the side of the road, so obviously we have to go grab it for
And it not just a dong, but a big.
Well, she's tricked us and she's selling all our S13s right now.
God! There's a guy coming. Go, go, go!
You forgot something.
You guys put it there.
No, we didn't.
But you thought it was pretty funny.
No, my wife told me about it. She goes, you have to go look. There's a
Are you picking it up?
No, that's disgusting.
Nice size too, I think.
Am I getting on grabbing it?
No, you're not
You
gonna
got the
grab
fucking.
Are you serious?
Ben's. You made it this far.
We need to mount on the D20.
it. No.
Whoa!
Grab it, Ben.
No.
Grab it, Ben.
No. I don't want that in the car. That's disgusting. Get lost.
Oh no!
It's like used.
Oh, it kind of smells.
It's rounded off.
It's been used. It's in the wheel well. You should leave that for Megan.
Oh, it was funny when Ben picked it up with a glove and stuck it on the side of the car.
And then it fell inside your car.
You're gonna move it, obviously. Are you
Oh.
gonna take it to the shop?
Wow, new, crazy man.
Fancy.
What's Adam doing over here? Little clearance action going on.
Trying to clear so I don't have to use my spacer.
Jesus, man.
Lower that car! See how undrivable it is.
Holy shit! Look at the rear, man.
That's all?
The front could go lower. Maybe I should let it settle.
What was that sound?
All the Bondo cracking.
Either that was Bondo cracking or that was one of my bones.
That's better than it was before, right?
Pretty good on
Yeah, this was the side that didn't match. Oh, that's gonna be a slammy one.
Look at the rear end. It looks fucking tits, man.
It's also not all the way off the hoist still.
Huh?
Really? There's more?
On the back at least.
I was born in 2000 and if anyone's born in the 2000s, just leave.
Yeah.
Let's pull it out and see if it goes in.
This side's still lower than that side. Holy fuck, I felt like I just had a mini heart attack.
Cool, man.
I think it's a heart palpitation. Can't be good.
Palpulous. The arm is out?
Yep.
Cool, man. It cambered in.
No.
I don't think so.
It's not on this side. Holy fuck, these things better be stiff.
You got fucking credit card fitment, bruh.
Not a stiff metal.
Holy shit! You're not rubbing though. Oh wait,
I think it is gonna rub.
you got paper fucking fitments, man.
Can you pull that out? Well, that's not gonna work.
Drive it and then the sidewall will clearance itself. Like Park's car.
What about when the Corolla tire popped? While we're
These are
There's
fucking
3 people in.
dumb tick, man.
Why is this side so fucking high in the front?
There's a spider.
Oh, I fucking hit my ankle so hard on his wheel. Oh, oh, dude, shit's fucking busted, man. You wanna tell the people what's going on?
Well, we went too low. The back was sitting on tire, went for a spin. My tire schmelted. Mel started melting my paint. Yeah, so I'm raising it a bit.
Put it back to the way it was when we came here.
No, it'll still be lower.
What's with you in the goddamn centimeters, man?
We're in Canada.
When you say inches,
Because the imperial
you measure your
system.
dick in centimeters?
Obviously it's inches, but that's just because that's the standard for that measurement. No, the imperial system's the stupidest shit ever.
Man, have you ever used a ruler before to measure?
Obviously.
You ever go from the bottom?
Yeah, it adds like an inch. It's sick.
Tiny gap period because like the ruler has it starts like a
Yeah.
couple millimeters up. You're like, oh yeah.
Wait, no.
You always go from the
No,
top.
that would take some away.
Never, dude. People
That would
go
make
from
it
the
shorter.
top. Fuck off. It's from the bottom, man.
I hope the average that you see online is from the bottom.
Not from the top.
What do you mean the top?
I have an S13. I have enough.
Like the top
Ruler
down?
on the top.
So like downwards?
No, like it's out.
Like the side of it?
Yeah, you just put the ruler on top.
What?
The other way, you stand over a mirror and make it so much more comfortable.
Oh, like here versus here.
From the top, make it drop. Somewhat ass pussy.
Oh,
We're saying from the bottom.
oh, that adds.
It has like an inch.
Yeah. You start looking like a roadside dilly at that point.
Why is it so?
Fuck yeah, man! Fuck yeah!
It's like a train conductor.
Fuck yeah, man!
Wait, put it backwards. Yeah,
It's like it's wide brim.
Sick. Still going, eh?
It's not bubbly, it's bubbly. Stop! That's fully erect.
Better stop right now, or else.
You better stop or Ben's gonna dock you.
Yeah.
We're right back to where we're at.
Oh my fucking god. It's lower on this side.
That's good. So it's not lower on that side? I don't know. It looks the same as when you came here today, I think. At least they're really stiff. Check that out.
That's the same. Dude.
No, it isn't. Stick your hand
Your
in
car's just fucked.
Your hand doesn't go in
Every
there.
single damn time. It's fucking different. It's never been the same on all four corners. Your alignment right now?
What? Oh my god. Look at how towed in this rear wheel is. Isn't that hella towed in?
If this one's tore out, then it's fine. This one's pretty straight.
Okay, so we spent like the whole day putting some different coilovers in these. Then we made it too low, so I had to spend a bunch more time raising it, and they're shittier than the ones we took out, turns out, so. Sick day.
Cool video, man.
Cool video.
Ben.
Yeah.
Tell them what to do.
Subscribe.
Yes.
What should I call it?
Should they comment? What do you like to wear in the summer? Shorts or pants?
Or a sundress.
Or a sundress.
I like to wear sundresses. Yeah, no, you're being a cunt. Even the cunt gets it. Wait, I'm not done. I have something I need to say.
What, dude?
We are really close to 100K on Instagram. In fact, we're 1,500 followers away. We've been at this for 4 years, so please, 2 years ago at around 60,000K,
1,500.
we're 1,500 away from 100K.
Cool, man.
Yeah. Do you even look at the Instagram? No. Fuck. Okay. Yeah, so 1,500 away from 100K on Instagram. At 60K, around 2 years ago, me and Noah made a bet where Noah, if we hit 100K, gets Moist Boys tattooed onto him, or I get to punch him in the face. So, please get us there soon.
Are you serious? What are you gonna do? Which one?
I haven't decided yet.
You would really punch him in the face hard?
Obviously, that was 2 years ago.
You have to.
Yeah, I know.
That doesn't mean
Or
anything.
I'll punch him half hard, and you can punch him again half hard.
I'm a lover, not a fighter.
Dude, don't punch me half hard. That's pretty fucking.
You can't say that, man. No, I'm gonna hit you as hard as I can. Oh, I'm gonna wear my rings for sure.
Half hard or soft? Or
Full erect, brother. I'm actually gonna, like, what's it gonna be? Are you gonna get tattooed or are you gonna get fucking smoked, man?
I haven't decided yet.
I think she had tattoo.
Like, I'm not very strong, but I still think it's. I can punch you pretty hard.
What are you doing for 100K?
Nothing. I didn't make a bet. That was you who came up with that bet. You're like, dude, if we ever hit 100K, I'll get Moist Boys tattooed onto me, or you can punch me in the face as hard as you can. I was like, okay.
I'll probably take
Honestly,
the punch,
what?
because then I'll get mad and probably punch you, and then we'll be.
No,
even.
that doesn't count because then you have to get the tattoo because that evened it out.
No.
Yeah.
You'll be fucking sleeping, so you won't.
Do the math. You'll be fucking
It'll be
sleeping.
2 hits.
Why do we say shit like that, man?